Hello and welcome to Elliot Phillips' Aspects of My Life. Please subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. Rory, what's that spider doing? Rory, catch the spider. Rory, get the spider. You're supposed to catch spiders. Yes, you're lazy, aren't you? Catch the spider, look. Where's the spider? Look, he's getting away, he's hiding behind my laptop. Go get the spider. Go on. Go on. You've just sat and crawled on me for ages and ages, and now you won't even go and get the spider. Are you lazy? Are you a lazy cat? And what's that? That's a big tummy. What is it? A big tummy? Why have you got a big tummy? Yes, you can put your head down. Why have you got a big tummy? Have you been eating too much? Have you been going to other people's houses and eating their cat's food? Stop trying to get the camera. Rory? Where are you going and where's that spider gone? Are you ignoring the spider? What do you like? Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please leave a like, comment and share on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. From me in Shropshire, goodbye.